Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll continue our practical part in English. Last time we took a look on the ETS in general, then we took a look on how to program the keypads with the actuators I have. Talked about controlling lights on off, controlling dimming, controlling shutters. Today we'll be doing the diagnostics. Diagnostics is very important in KNX because with diagnostics you can find out the parameters or the settings of a project. Okay, you can identify devices and you can know more about your KNX devices together. So let me start with sharing the screen and opening ETS to see the diagnostics. So I was in the reporting part. I go to diagnostics in here. Let's say that I have a project that I don't know the device in the project. I can go simply to line scan here. Okay, already my devices are connected, and I can go choose the line I want to choose. Say scan. Scanning here is a very simple way. It's sending commands to the KNX devices on the bus and trying to identify them. Which device is responding, trying to identify the device responding to your commands. As you can see now, it's not finished yet, but it told me that I have a device with address 1.1.1, 1.2, 0.3, 12, 15, 50, 130, okay? I will show you and tell you what about other devices as well, okay? But I can say simply, yes, I know that I have here that this one is 1.1.1 because we programmed it 1.1.1 before. This is 1.1.2. The keypad was 1.1.3. Okay. So by the time it was finishing, now trying to give me also the model. So yes, this is 1.1.1. This is a linear actuator. This is an electronic actuator. This is the keypad from Vitrum. Now I have two devices from ABB, which is a daily gateway and the fan coil actuator. Then I have also an Nintera device connected. The 1.1.50, this is in a simple way our USB interface, because the USB interface should have also an individual address to contact. But where can I change it? If I go here, my laptop, choose the USB interface, then I can change it from here if I want to change. Okay. Now I know the device I have in my system. Okay. Even with the model and the serial number. If I want to check which device exactly I have in the system, I can go to individual address check. In this way, I can, let's say I don't know which one is 1.1.1. I can simply come here, say check if reachable. It's giving me a green light and it's reachable, okay? And can be connected. So which one here in my kit is 1.1.1? I can simply go and say to the device LED on. Okay, if I go now here, see that it will go. See this one now, now it's in red. See this one, the programming button, now it's red. Okay, so I can now find out on my panel which device 1.1.1. I can turn it off from here as well. So now it's off. Now it's off, as you can see. This way I can map the address I have to the devices on my panel. If I need to do it in device where in different way. So let's say I have a device on my panel and I don't know. Minimize this a bit. Let's say I have a device on my panel here and I know which device is reflecting here. So I can come here and say start. Okay. Now, any device I put here in the programming button, it will be giving me here as an address. So if I go now to the dimmer as an example, I will manually make the programming button on. See, sorry. So as an example, now if I get the keypad, if I want to check this one, now the button is on, and it should tell me here now that this device is on. So this one is the brown button, so I can find out which device related to which device. Okay, let me stop this one. Right. Also, what I can do, I can get a specific device, okay, and get all the information related to the device. So let's see if I go to 1.1.2, this is the dimmer, and I ask it to get me all the info related to the dimmer. Okay, So it will go now, scan the dimmer and try to get me all the parameters and settings saved on the dimmer. This way I can find more info about a specific device. You can see now it's coming. It told me that's the dimmer, this is the serial number, and these are the group address related to the dimmer itself. What else I can do? I can go to group monitor. And the group monitor is very nice in finding out what's happening on the devices. So if I go to start here, now I'm listening on the bus, trying to find out what's happening on the bus. So let's, as an example, let me make this smaller. So I come now, go and click on the keypad. You put it here. So I go and click on the keypad, the first button. Automatically it's telling me that this is what happened. Okay. Automatically the keypad sent a command to the from an individual address to a group address with a non-command, and the relay switch already replied back using the feedback. Okay. Don't care about this. This is related to the fan coil actuator daily lights. Okay, which was also configured for a previous operation, but this is the operation that we learned today. Okay. Also, what I can do, if let's say I go to the here is that. I go now and press on the manual switch from the relay. So there is the relay sending also a feedback coming from 1.1.1, which is a relay, telling me that you send me a manual control to turn my keypad off. Okay. So this is the group monitor. From the group monitor also I can send the commands. For example, I can come here and choose a group address. Let's say the main light control. And I can send the command light on or off from here. So if I say on, let me get the camera on. If I choose right now, then the light, as you can hear, light is already going on. Okay. So from also the diagnostics, I can send the commands. I can listen to commands from here. Let me stop this one. Also, this all can download or save from here. Let me stop this one. Bus monitor is the same like group monitor, but will need extra access to the bus, exclusive access to the bus, and also will allow me to see acknowledgement and other actions as well. And we'll talk about bus monitor in the advanced course more. ETS bus activity also is giving me commands, but mostly related to the ETS bus activity itself. So when I'm downloading a program or reading something, then the ETS bus activity will come to you in hand. Okay. So this is mostly about diagnostics, very useful tool. If you know what you are doing, will support your new operations. With this, we are summing up the most of the practical part of the basic course. If you have any question, let us know, and hope to see you inshallah in the different video inshallah. Salam alaikum.